Okay, so let's see how we can use this character city script. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is go to the edit menu, go to preferences, general, and make sure that this line is checked on. Allow scripts to write files and access network. By default, this is not checked on. Then go to the file menu, scripts, run script file, go to the location where you saved your script and just click open. It will now load the different elements. Okay, the script is done downloading all the project files. The script is now working. What we need to do now is actually to close After Effects completely, because this window, the loading bar, is not closing by its own. So we just have to close After Effects. In some systems that this might not happen, but if it does happen, just close After Effects and reopen. Okay, so we're back in After Effects. Let's go again to the File menu, Scripts, Run Script File, and open the script. Now you can see once I open the script, I don't have to re-download those elements. And again, you just need to download them once, and then you open the script regularly. So let's go to the Characters tab, and let's import our first character. So I'm going to import the man character, and I'm just going to hit Import. And now it says no folder name character found in the project creating folder. That's fine. Let's click OK. And now we have the man characters. So now we get this error message where it's pretty easy to address this. So let's just hit the search icon here, and the first one will be just loop cycle for the eyes. So let's just hit that checkbox in here. It basically just animate the eyes. You know, I can do like a checkbox. I can hit the checkbox, and then I can, you know, maybe go a couple of frames forward, on and off, and then maybe just another one in here, so I'll have some spacing. And then basically what it does, you see that eye blink. Basically what it does, it just loops that eye blink. If you don't want that, you can actually just alt and you can actually just alt and click the checkbox, and the expression will go away. Now it has another error in here. It's just related to the naming issue. So let's just go to the folder where we have the name, and we'll actually just change this. So I'm just deleting a number, going back, and you can see it went away. So just naming conventions that kind of relate with the expression. So that's nothing for you to worry about. Just go ahead, press enter to change the name, delete something, Control Z to undelete something, and that's to undelete what you've done, and the error will go away. So now I want to add animation to this character. So let's go to, let's say, 5 seconds. On the timeline, this is where I want to add my first animation, and I'm going to add the jump animation. So I'm just going to choose that from the list, and you can see you have this little preview here, which you can kind of see what you're going to get. And let's press add, and you can see that added to my list. And now we have that jump animation. Okay, and now let's say I want to add another animation from 8 seconds, let's say crossing hands, so I'll add that as well. And now he's crossing his hands. So we just added 2 animations to this composition, and obviously we can add whatever we want. Just make sure you're on the end of the previous animations when you add another one. So let's do let's do wiping forehead, or actually maybe waving hello, right? So let's add that, and it's just waving hello from this hand, right? And then when this is done, we can actually add the wave hello to the left hand, and then he's going to just do this from the other hand. So we have one hand waving hello and the other hand waving hello, and we can actually combine some of the different um, different movement together. So waving hello, we can actually combine that together if you wish. Okay, and it's kind of created this wacky movement because I wasn't synced with the start animation for the other hand, so it's kind of delayed right now.